Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com, and this is Ask Matt Season 2, Episode 259. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about advertising. Advertise wherever you go, advertise whatever you do, advertise wherever you drive. So, you can see this is the TRW van here, and I've had this for probably, I would say, 5 years now. We drive it to different shows that are a little bit closer, but the goal is whenever I drive around, even if I'm picking up stuff for the house, if I'm driving to an event, whatever I'm doing, I'm advertising everywhere. So you can see we got the business name, the phone number, the web address, kind of letting them know what we do. We got Maddie from 4 or 5 years ago here doing some gymnastics, and you'll even see here, those are rhinestones on the van right there. Those have been there for over 5 years. They still look perfect. We got Lorene right here working in the garage with our garage setup. You can see pressing the shirt here. We wanted to kind of give a whole scene of what we actually do, let someone know who's parked next to us and see, hey, this is what this company does, which is pretty awesome. On the back here, we got the We All Start Somewhere. Again, design, supply, and power. I'm not worried about the freaking license plate. It's all right. But again, just working out of the garage. Lorene here. Lorene gets twice the amount I do. I don't know. I don't even know how that works. And then on the side over here, we got me leading some baseball t-shirts and some baseball uniforms right here. Again, just showing what we do. Got some shirts lined up there ready to go. I got my Graph Tech vinyl cutter cutting. I got a roll in here. I had a pretty nice setup here in the garage, not gonna lie. Got the order set up there, some different vinyl there, vinyl rack over here. Over here I'm pressing the shirt. And then again, especially for the area here and showing different things that we can actually do. I like images more than words, okay? So this is showing something. We can customize your batting gloves. We can customize your jerseys. We can customize your shoes. Showing a close-up of the hat and all the different things you can customize. Again, down there, and then on the front, all of the TRW logo there. So that's the big thing, is advertise wherever you go, advertise whatever you do, because you would be amazed at the amount of calls that I've gotten just from driving this van around town. People asking me to roll down my window, like literally at stoplights, that say, hey, and the cool thing is a lot of people say, hey, I know you from YouTube, which is freaking amazing, right? But just the fact of the van tells the story. And hey, I do decals, I do a side business, I want to get started in t-shirts, I want us to get, and it's the same thing for you guys. And a lot of you guys have seen my older video that I did, where I am actually, my one of our old cars, the whole thing was just decals. And that was before we could afford a wrap or anything. So with that one, what we did is we actually went and we just put decals. What we could do, our turnaround time. We could do t-shirts, we could do rhinestones, we could do this, we could do that. And it was really amazing, because what again, that did is it kind of told a story of everything we could do and let whoever was parked next to us at a stoplight. And like I said before, I used to have on the back of the van or the back of the truck that I had, one of those little stick-on card holders, and it said take one, and it would just be covered up so the rain wouldn't get it, and that thing would be emptied out every few days. I would go every time we would go to the grocery store, every time we would go to the mall, every time we would go anywhere. We make sure to park in a high populated area. People walk by, we would see people take decals or take cards all the time. Advertise, advertise, advertise. As you guys know, social media is amazing. Social media is great. Social media can grow your business quickly. But getting down there, seeing real people, talking to real people in stores, advertising on your van, getting cards out, wearing shirts, you still got to do that as well. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully it gives you an idea of getting some different ways and different things you can do with advertising. But I appreciate all of you guys. Check out the amazing sky here in Florida tonight. That's probably an amazing sunset right now, but we are not over by the beach. So looks good from here though. Perfect weather outside. Amazing. And obviously I'm keeping my distance. So appreciate all of you guys. Make sure to click that like button. Make sure to click that subscribe button, the little bell right next to it, so you get the notification. And Please make sure to comment below. Give me some more questions for these Ask Matts. I love answering your questions. Head over to Instagram. Remember, we got our Cameo big 150,000 YouTube subscriber giveaway Monday night, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I will see you guys then, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, crew, later.